What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn about how I'm going to compare two products on the Claude. These are the two products. One is from the Temu and the other one is from the Sheen itself. Both are Pumper's Cross. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and copy the links to both of these and go to the Claude like I've done so and given the link to it and ask you to share the link to products with the same thing for two different platform, analyze and review them for me and tell me which one should I buy and opt for. So now it has given a detailed comparison. The Timo one is natural dried. The title says dried flowers, and it's a mixed boho bouquet, real pampas plums, together with the bunny tails and reed grass, usually in a white and light brown blend. And it also mentioned that before you buy, check those two things. Each base inside on was the price and the exact quantity. If I had to give one default pick, it is the Sheen Fox White Set, purely on lower risk. Fox ships well, stays clean and lasts. I would only pick the Timu dried mix if the natural looks matter to you more than the mass durability. So there's a clean review it has given to me, and I hope you guys find it useful and you guys can actually do the same kind of comparison among the products that you guys want to do. So this is pretty much it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care.